Hey, what's up, people? It's Calvina. Right back at you guys with another video. And today, what I want to talk about is what will make you successful online. Okay? What will make you successful online? Here we go. Success in the online space isn't about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and value. Here is what you need to focus on. Right? I get this up a little bit high. Mindset and commitment. Treat your online business like a real business, not a side hustle you try once and give up. Try to stay consistent, be patient, and always keep learning. Right? Choosing the right business model. If you guys see my other videos about making money online, the keys to making money online, and it says, right, choosing the right business model. Choose the right business model, the niche that's comfortable for you, that you know that you probably would succeed in. Alright? That you're comfortable with. Your comfortability. Alright? Whether it's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital products, or coaching, pick a model that aligns with your skills and interests. Alright? Don't just pick something out of the blue that you're not comfortable with. Always pick something that you're comfortable with and have interest in. Right? Always, always, always build your brand. People buy from people they trust. Show up authentically, provide value, and create a brand that resonates with your audience. Try to get one of the main things you will need when you're doing online marketing and trying to succeed with it is traffic and conversions. Without traffic, people seeing your offers, you won't make sales. Learn how to drive high quality traffic and optimize your content for conversions. If you don't know what conversions are sales, basically. Okay? Alright. Winning strategies for online marketing. Number 1. Master content marketing. Create value-driven content, which is either videos, blogs, or social media posts that solves problems. Again, that solves problems. Use storytelling and relatability to engage your audience. Right? Number 2, the most important thing is to build an email list. Social media platforms change, but your email list is yours. Offer a freebie lead magnet to collect emails and nurture leads with valuable content. The money is in the list. If you don't have an email list, you're not going to be able to build your business or sustain your business. Okay? That's very important. Email marketing. Again, if you watch some of my videos, you will see I talk about that. Okay? Number 3, leverage high converting sales funnels. A great funnel turns your visitors into buyers effortlessly. Use lead capture pages, tripwire offers, and automated follow-ups to maximize revenue. Tripwire offers. Anyway. Number 4, use paid ads strategically. Master platforms like Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube ads for fast results. It's pretty much up to you if you want to use, paid ads or other cases. But the thing about the paid ads, you have to know what you're doing, guys. Learn about paid ads. Teach yourself. Don't just do paid ads and you're not educated on it. Don't just put yourself out there like that. Make sure you do your research and you train and you learn how to use paid ads the correct way. Okay? Always test, tweak, and scale. Start small. Always. I do that too. Start small. Find what works, then increase your budget. Okay? My way to go with this is free. Even though it's free, it does take time, but as long as you're consistent, I will start with free traffic. As long as you're consistent. Alright? And, whatever you're doing, blogs, videos, posting, as long as you're consistent every day, you will start seeing results. I can't tell you when, I can't guarantee you that. But once you start doing that, you'll get people eyeballs either on your videos or blogs or whatever the case is. Number 5, focus on high ticket offers. That's up to you if you want. If you want to start lower, you can. Okay? Up to you. Until you feel that you got the consistency, you're learning, you're teaching yourself, or you have a mentor or anything like that teaching you this stuff. Okay? Selling high ticket products, $500 to $5,000 commissions means you don't need thousands of sales to make a full-time income. Combine it with affiliate marketing or coaching for a strong revenue stream. Alright? Number 6, network and collaborate. Success online isn't a solo journey. Partner with influencers, join mastermind groups, and build relationships. The more exposure equals the more opportunities. The more exposure equals the more opportunities. Final tip, guys. Success online isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about following proven systems, staying consistent, and never quitting. You're ready to take action. The best time to start is now. Okay? You want to take action today? Click the link in my description for the #1 online course. Alright? And check it out. Alright guys, so I want to share some more tips with y'all on being successful, online, on the winning strategies for online marketing. Basically, what will make you successful online. Okay guys, if you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. My name is Calvina. I'm signing off. I want to give you guys some more successful tips on basically what will make you successful online. Alright, my name is Calvina. I'm signing off. Hoping you guys love this video, and I appreciate you watching. As always, have a great day.